Hello guys, this is a video showing you how to reset your apps in an early fashion on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. As you can see, things are in all different places. Now this video is a short way how to get things back in order. You pull the screen down, settings, then you go to apps, and you scroll down. Samsung Experience Home, you click it, then you go to storage and you click clear data. Delete. This wouldn't affect nothing much. Then you go click, then you go back, hold on 2 seconds, voila, everything's back to its original state. Perfect order. And that's it guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos.